Oh, you can say that again. We are the best in town. We'll give you a good run for your money, trust me. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, so that's it. I have to go now, okay? Alright, bye. Yes. Hello? Yes, this is Debbie. Oh, wow. That's so nice. Thank you. Oh, thank you so very much. I really appreciate. Oh, okay. I will call you back, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, I will call you back, I promise. Yeah, bye. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
You're welcome, Mr.
Thank you. Mr. Johnson.
Oh, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you.
So, how can we help you?
Okay, I'm a real estate developer.
Okay.
So of course, you know what that entails. So I build. And I just completed a building in the state, and I'm looking at top-notch interior decoration, you know, for that particular building, because of the kind of clients I'm looking at wooing with that building. So a friend of mine told me about your company, and that's why I'm here.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. So it's safe to say that you come highly recommended.
Oh, thank you. You're so funny, you know.
Am I?
Yes, of course you are.
Okay.
So, where is this building situated?
Off DLA Road. I don't know if you know what that is.
Here in Asaba?
Yes.
Wow. We'll handle it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so tell me, how does it work with your company? Where do we go from here?
We have to physically inspect the house so we can identify some things. Let's just start from there.
Makes sense. I didn't get your name.
Debbie.
Debbie. It will be nice doing business with you.
I hope so.
Wow. Good thing I hired you, eh?
You can say that again.
Amazing work, I must tell you. You have done an excellent work with interior decor. I'm happy.
Thank you. You know, it's our job to put smiles on the faces of our customers.
And I can attest to that.
I'm happy you like it.
See what you did with my interior. It's excellent.
Thank you.
I'll make a few more recommendations amongst my friends. I'll let them know how you work.
That would be so nice. Thank you.
Plus, I'd like to see you again if you don't mind.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you know where to find me.
Your office.
Sure.
I'll be glad to stop by.
Please do.
You know.
I'll be waiting. I have to run along right now.
I understand. Drive safe.
Mr. Johnson.
Yep.
You're here.
I told you I was going to show up here.
You did?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So do you have another job for me?
Come on now, relax. Must it always be about work? Don't you make out time to enjoy yourself? Do you not have a private life?
Of course I do.
You do?
I mean, I have a guy I'm seeing.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
Oh, yes, I do. I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
I mean, I am an adult. Do you have anything against that?
Nothing at all against it.
Well, my guy doesn't stay here. He's based in the UK.
Really? Are you kidding me right now?
I mean every word of it.
A distant relationship. Is that what you want? Because we all know that these young men who keep their girlfriends and their wives here in Nigeria and Liverpool, they can't be trusted, you know.
I really do not have anything against that, honestly. I don't. All we need is trust.
I agree. I mean, trust is paramount in every relationship. It's just that I'm hoping that you know better, given the fact that you're educated and you're exposed, you know. I mean, we've had a lot of cases of these young men that can be relied on to draw conclusions. And the truth is that these guys are not, they're not faithful. I'm sorry.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, I don't know what you're driving at, but are you here to make me become suspicious of my guy?
Not at all. You can trust him all you want. I'm just saying that you should open your eyes.
Okay, listen, Mr. Johnson. I have known Alex for a very long time. As a matter of fact, we attended the same university. So you can see, it's been a long time.
Can I take you out on a date tonight?
That wouldn't be necessary.
Oh, come on, now it's a harmless date. I just want to say thank you for coming to my house, putting things together and making my house a home. Nothing more. I'll be nice to you, I promise.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, you're here.
Yes, I am.
So nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Looking all beautiful as usual.
Thank you.
Yes, sit.
Wow. Huh, this place looks beautiful.
Just like you. Come in.
Thank you.
I like you a lot, Debbie. I just wish that you'll be all mine.
Johnson, I told you already. I have a man in my life.
In the United Kingdom, you and I can build a relationship here in Nigeria.
Johnson, you are talking about cheating, right? I cannot cheat on my man and I cannot double date. I've never done it and I can't even start now.
You're not going to push me away because of a man that is far away in Europe. I want you. I want you. Come on now. I want you.
Johnson is a cute guy. But I can't cheat on Alex. I can't possibly do that. Alex is my world. He means a whole lot to me. It will not be long. I will join him in the United Kingdom. But am I really doing the right thing? Alex hasn't been responding to my chats in an encouraging manner. Johnson might be right that one cannot trust all these guys living abroad. Maybe he has decided to move on with a woman who is available to him there. A white or even a Nigerian woman. Who knows? Hey!
What? See who we have here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Lord, I wasn't expecting to see you.
Well, here I am.
Of course, in a good way. please come and step right in.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, please make yourself comfortable to your left.
Thank you.
Yes. I'll just get you something refreshing and I'll be back.
Oh, don't worry. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
A glass of cold juice would be really nice.
Don't bother. I said I'm fine.
Okay, if you say so. As you can see, I'm cooking something in the kitchen, but it won't take long. I'll be back to you.
You mean you cook?
Oh yes, I have to cook sometimes. Don't judge me now. You know, I'm a bachelor and sometimes I eat out, but sometimes I also cook. You know, like now I'm making something really, really nice. I tell you, what would you like? Is there something really? Would you want some? No, while you process it, don't worry, I'll be back.
I don't even know what you're making.
Don't worry, I'll be back.
If I'm to ask a question, then I'll ask myself, yeah. What is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute.
Up to her.
And what is Mr. Bachelor making?
Mr. Bachelor. I see you're here to tease me now. Huh?
Tease you?
Yes.
I'm not teasing you. Sorry, I only made a statement of facts. You are Mr. Bachelor.
And you are the woman of my dreams. The one that I want. The one that every part of me seeks. It's just that you have refused to give me a place in your life. Because you're a man who's currently in Europe. Alex would even understand if I told him how I feel about you, don't you think so? He might just tell me to have you. I'm serious.
You know you don't have to say that.
Why not? Come on. I mean it. I'm serious about how I feel about you. I mean, look at you. You're a goddess.
Are we gonna cook or not?
I'm trying to win your hearts, baby. You're a woman made for kings. Just take a look at you. But seriously, when are you going to give me a chance?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. I want to place in your heart, baby. You can do it. Huh? Come on, baby. Come on, your beauty just makes my heart race faster. See what you're doing to me now, come on. Fine girl.
This is nice, though.
It is, yeah? The reason you should consider marriage.
Say that again.
The reason you should consider marriage.
With you.
What?
Yes, baby.
Oh, please stop it. Listen, Johnson, you just have to close your eyes and make a pick.
Make a right pick. I have to find the right woman. I found that woman in you. Give me a chance.
There is no right woman anywhere.
Let me at least be the one to decide that I haven't found the right woman. I have a right of choice, remember?
Well, depends on what you want.
You're the one I want. Come on, I want you.
Johnson, you can't possibly want me.
Why can't I want you?
Because I belong to someone else.
Sweetheart, if you take time to think about this, you'll probably give us a chance. I'm telling you. Just ponder on it a little. You never know. Yeah? You can't possibly say no to me because of Alex. I mean, he's in the UK. And I'm here with you. I'm not saying he's a bad guy. I'm just saying that I'm here with you, baby. Come on now, give me a chance. You would love the experience, I promise you. See your face.
Stop it.
Come on. Huh? I've fallen for you. I'm trying to get you to fall for me too.
Johnson, can you just stop?
No, I can't stop.
So, why are you acting so restless? Yeah, right. You're not gonna talk to me, huh?
Because you don't want to talk to me. Why? Are you refusing to be my woman? Debbie, can't you see that I'm crazy about you?
Why are you being like that? I am in a very serious relationship. I have a guy in my life.
So you're going to hurt my feelings by expressly telling me that Alex is better than me?
Come on, Johnson. I have not said that. And of course, you know there's no way I can make such comparison.
You might not have said that all right, but as a human being, I have the rights to understand things how I feel about it. Okay, that's what I feel you're saying.
Let's go.
Eddie, please. Please. If you leave me, there is no telling what I'm going to do to myself, baby. Please. Please don't go. The plan is not to upset you. The plan is to win you over and make you my woman. Okay? Please. I'm crazy about you. I beg you, don't go. Wakey. It's breakfast in bed, baby. See who's still in bed now, huh? Hey. Oh my God.
Is it morning or?
Yes, baby, it's morning. Good morning, baby.
Good morning, baby. Baby.
Yes, baby. Like I'm ready. For breakfast in bed, right?
Oh.
I know. Sometimes I just try to be romantic. I know I try.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Baby.
Yes, honey. Come on, baby. It's nothing, okay? I just
Thank you.
thought I'd be nice to you this morning. By the way, I got a call to be somewhere this morning, so let me just go dress up.
Baby.
Yes, baby. I have to go. Money, business. So let me just get ready. I'll be with you in a bit.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
It's weekend.
I know. Money calls.
I still can't believe I just cheated on Alex. This is the first time a guy is treating me spatially. I love you, baby.
Love you too.
If I'm to ask a question, then I'll ask myself, yeah. What is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Yeah. Somebody help me. I don't know what to do. 'Cause this is getting out of hand, and I'm losing myself. Yeah. Somebody help me. 'Cause it looks like I'm going insane, and this is getting out of hand, I don't know what to do. Someone come to my
Finally, I got this one. Same one that was playing hard to get. The one that I thought I'd never get. But just like others, she finally gave in, and I am not disappointed at all. Oh yeah, for she is sweet, and she is worth the long wait. Johnson. I have indeed come a long way with women. And with this one, it's going to be different. I deliberately put her to test. Left the house to see the kind of woman she is, if she's just going to sit around, press her phones, and do nothing. Because I like me a very cultural woman, one who would do chores around the house without being asked to do so. My kitchen is in a bloody mess, and I'm just going to wait and see if she's going to fix it or just leave it. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you.
minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Yeah. Somebody help me. I don't know what to do. Cause this is getting out of hand, and I'm losing myself. Yeah, somebody help me, cause it looks like I'm going insane, and this is getting out of hand, I don't know what to do. Someone come to my aid, I'm a helpless man, no.
Okay. Everyone looks put together. What's going? Okay. Everyone kind of looks sparkling clean and put together.